Draper Expert digital torque wrenches are manufactured to ISO 6789 standard. They come in two drives, 1/2 inch and 3/8. Both will work in foot-pounds, inch-pounds, newton-meters and kilogram-centimeters, and are calibrated to the industry standard of ±4%. Both have a soft comfort grip and come in a blow-molded case for protection and storage. The 3/8 model is 390mm long and has a range of 20 to 100 Nm. The 1/2 inch model is 490mm long and has a range of 40 to 200 Nm. Both come with full instructions and an individual calibration certificate. These two Draper Expert digital torque wrenches are suitable for any professional in any industry.